Because there will be an upcoming class test, so you should prepare.
Class test. Hey! Madam said don't speak Chi.
Nobody should speak Chi.
Madam said don't speak Chi. Why are you speaking Chi? I don't like that too. You see your face.
If I catch you speaking Chi, you receive lashes.
Boy, impenetrable.
Hey, madam, Pepsi is speaking Chi. Your lashes go.
Right?
Go for your lashes. Madam, 7 lashes. Madam, 5. Madam, 15.
10.
Madam said don't speak Chi. I'm speaking Chi. Don't speak Chi. Hey, Pepsi.
I'm warning you guys again, nobody should speak Chi here. Whether you are singing or doing anything, you guys should speak it in English, not in Chi, in this class. Am I clear?
Yes, madam.
When someone is coming, send me something. Someone is coming, oh, send me something. So,
Yuma, what are you doing?
madam, please, I'm singing.
Singing?
Yes, madam.
What kind of song are you singing?
I'm singing Stone Boy.
Stone Boy, which song?
When someone is coming, send me something.
Me.
Someone is coming, oh, send me something. So,
Meaning?
Obiba money me, money me. You know what? We love that song. It's Obiba money me. We know that song.
Because I asked you guys not to speak Chi, that is why you're singing it in English, right?
Oh, madam, you said it's not speak Chi, so I'm singing in English.
Oh God. Hey, this is all for the day. You have closed, okay?
You have closed. One casabe walk. Something.